Well, tonight it is the state of North Carolina versus Duke Energy Carolinas. State Attorney General Josh Stein is appealing the energy company's recently approved rate hikes. The State Utilities Commission approved those new rates back in December, but Stein says they are too high and he wants the state Supreme Court to weigh in. WCNC Charlotte's Julia Kaufman has more.
If you're a Duke Energy Carolinas customer, your bill is higher this year and climbing. The company is implementing an approved rate hike over the next 3 years, saying the money is needed for power grid upgrades. Duke Energy says a typical customer is paying about $10 more a month this year. Next year, monthly costs will go up again by $4, and in 2026, another $4 a month on top of that. Wednesday, Attorney General Josh Stein appealed the State Utilities Commission's decision to okay the increases.
Many North Carolina households are already struggling to make ends meet, and they just can't afford the higher rates.
Stein hopes his appeal will turn up the heat on the major energy provider, saying in a statement, every dollar counts for North Carolina families.
Rather than investing in renewables, Duke wants to shift this burden onto working families who can't really afford higher energy bills.
Andrew Whalen is a spokesperson for Clean Air NC. The nonprofit worries Duke Energy is using the money to fund its use of fossil fuels. A Duke Energy spokesperson says, quote, the commission's decision was issued after extensive evaluation and public input. The order enables critical grid investments that are needed to advance North Carolina's growing economy while protecting reliability and affordability for customers. Since the rates are already approved by the state, Duke Energy says the Attorney General's appeal does not affect current rates, and they will stay in place unless the state Supreme Court rules otherwise. Julia Kaufman, WCNC Charlotte.